Live from Wish TV, this is breaking news from 24-Hour News 8.
Good afternoon, I'm David Barris. We want to get you some more information now on that huge wreck over near Plainfield on I-70. We want to show you exactly where we're talking about. This is I-70, closed at State Road 267. Also, that's near mile marker 64. That is the Plainfield, the main Plainfield exit. We can tell you if you're heading east.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indianapolis State Police Department. Civil authorities have issued a warning for the following counties, Hendricks and Marion. At 2:35 p.m., reports from these counties have issued an outbreak of a highly contagious virus. Some reports claim the outbreak started in the Hendricks and Marion County hospitals. Symptoms of this virus include loss of coordination, confusion, and eventually, certain death. Reports have also claimed that those infected have acted out in an extremely violent behavior. Citizens are extremely advised to avoid anyone with these symptoms. At this time, these counties are under quarantine until further notice. As a safety precaution, nearby counties are advising citizens to stay in their homes until the situation is dealt with. Stay tuned for further details as they follow.